It's me and Vince the lawyer here.
And Hitman Dan.
Hitman Dan and his lovely
Dawn.
wife Dawn. We're just hanging out here. Scola!
So I want to set the record straight about a few things. I did not fuck with John's ride here. That guy that drove John claimed that I emailed him. It's impossible for me to have emailed him. I didn't. I would never fuck with the Photoshop of the actual place where John drove from. I wanted him to get picked up. I'm the one who arranged it. At 1 a.m, John calls me and says, I can't figure out how to get to Atlantic City. By 7 a.m, I was only up for 20 minutes. I figured out how to get him here.
Hey.
Get him here, and he's here. Now, of course, John was not talking to me.
Yes.
While I was driving here,
Yep.
I heard that you were never talking to me again, which was fine, but I was just pissed about a few things, and I want to set the record straight about that.
Okay, well, first of all, Danny and Dawn are here. Dan, want to come and say hi? Dan?
Of course, Hitman Dan is famous in the Dabbleverse for the felony threatening of Shuli at Shuli's club. And only in the Dabbleverse can you commit a felony, threaten someone, and then become famous.
And before Danny comes on, he's still freaking bickering with his wife, but that's normal procedure in the Godfrey.
We're quiet over here.
No.
First time ever. 40 years.
It's like an
It's
anniversary
40
right
years.
here. It's anniversary fucking stuff right here.
So I didn't go to, I got in my room around 1 in the morning, 2 in the morning. This morning, Kate Meany had texted me, and then I talked to Kate for like an hour. And then I was fucking texting this idiot, telling him, you know that I'm going to get him disbarred.
He actually publicly said he's going to get me disbarred because I recorded a message, a conversation, which actually he left me a voicemail. And I did edit it down. It was a fun voicemail. There was nothing wrong with it. But that's besides the point. I guess we buried that hatchet.
I guess. I don't know. We'll see how much you give me after this.
So when I told John to meet me at the B Bar, it's right in the middle of Borgata, and we'll probably be heading down there soon if any fans want to meet up, if they're coming in tonight. It sounds like the comedy show is canceled. Or
that's what Brock Lee just told me on the phone, that Chad's flight got canceled. Chad's such a fucking lie. How could you flight? Now, I see how mine did, but Chad's flight got canceled allegedly, or is Chad just doing one of his latent bits? It could be one or the other. But if his flight did get canceled, he's coming out of Tampa. There's got to be what? There's got to be fucking so many flights going to Newark or LaGuardia or Kennedy or even Atlantic City. So I don't, or even Philly. So I don't know how he can't get in here. I mean, that's ridiculous.
And last night when John said that he was never talking to me ever again, people were saying, "Oh, this must be some bit between you and I."
No, it was not a bit. In fact, I was livid at Vince, and I wanted to fucking kill him. In fact, when I was in the car, when this guy Darren drove me from Philadelphia Airport, hey guys,
John,
I'm talking here.
You're gonna at least show us your ass if you're gonna keep it in the screen.
So then
Kiss my ass, pal.
So then I was envisioning, I told Darren, I go, look, when I see Vince, he's going to say hello, and I'm going to give him a fucking uppercut. I really wanted, that's how much I wanted to beat the fuck out of Vince.
Yeah, so to recap, I got John here to Atlantic City.
Hey, no, 25. Stoney, can you hand me a bit, please, baby?
Something that he couldn't do, paid for it. And then obviously that fan, Darren, who hates me, which I'm okay with, did pick John up. That guy, Darren, never emailed me, never confirmed.
But
anything.
he showed me an email that looked like it was from Vince's email.
Which doesn't make sense because how can someone...
Go figure. A lawyer's lying, Dawn.
How can someone email this guy, Darren? I never knew Darren's name. I didn't know his email. So someone had to either know him or he's making it up. But anyway, during the drive, I hear Darren telling John all this shit like, oh, you can't get into the room without a key. And John thinks it's a big conspiracy. All he had to do was take a QR code, scan it, and get a digital key and get a hard copy key. And he got into the room. So all I did was get him a flight, fly him here, plan it, get him to the hotel, and get him a room. Yet by 8 a.m., he wants to disbar me.
Yes. So, yes. I was,
And welcome to the Dabbleverse.
yeah. So I was really pissed, obviously, after the whole Fatty Patty thing. And then I get back to the room, and Vince is like, but Vince, look, he's a troll. Vince, admit it.
When you say troll, I will never ever fuck with someone materially. When I say material, meaning I'm not going to give out your social security number.
But Shuli wasn't texting you. He wasn't asking you to take pictures of Jamie. He wasn't asking you to fucking, take pictures of my flight. You were just doing that for Vince's fucking deranged sociopathic head.
Yeah, so he's got these guys saying, oh, Vince is doing this show. They're not saying parody. They're saying, oh, Vince is not being real in his show. Well, this is my performance, my act. This is what I do to make everyone laugh. And John's got friends telling him how I'll take it. I don't care about it. Friends telling him how I'll take it. I don't care about it. Sorry, tonight when I film him while he's sleeping, it'll be wait. Did Shuli tell a federal court that he is an on-air radio talent?